Hello, my name is Jarrod Hall and I work in the Road Assist department at Prime. And a common issue that we have on our trailers is sometimes when you go to pick them up, one set of pins on the slider box retract and the others don't. So what I'm going to do is show you what the most common issue is and how you can fix this yourself. So this is the original design right here. And what happens over time is this pin breaks and the vibration of this going down the road and the airbag falls down. And then so one set of pins will retract when you go to slide your tandems and the other one won't. So what you can do is you crawl underneath the trailer and you locate where this pin is. So really all you got to do is get underneath there and then just line these holes back up. And put you a washer and a nut on there. And then tighten that down with your toolkit, and that'll allow this airbag to inflate and then retract your pins so you can get your tandems to move where you need them. If you have any questions on this, or if you want further information about other hands-on repairs you can do yourself, talk to your Road Assist advisor, your dispatcher, and we can get you signed up for the Pro Maintenance class that's offered here at Prime. It's every Monday and every Thursday starting at 8 a.m. in the Plaza building. Thank you.